Every house has a few creaks and groans, but you shouldn't have noises that sound like a woodpecker on steroids. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll share with you how to stop water hammering right after this.
What's the first step of any building or repair project? I always make sure I have the tools and materials I need, starting with the Quikrete mobile app. With easy one-touch access, you can watch project video instructions, quickly pull up a material shopping list, and make sure you have what you need, or use the app to figure out how much you need and find out where to buy it. You can even share your finished project via the Quick Share function. It's the tool you can use from start to finish. Download the Quikrete mobile app on the App Store or Google Play today.
If you hear a noise that sounds like a jackhammer in your walls whenever a faucet cuts off, or when the washing machine or dishwasher is in use, you probably have a water hammer. This happens when the flow of water rapidly stops or changes direction. One way to eliminate this noise is to install a water hammer arrestor at the location of the problem. This simple to install device is nothing more than a spring or piston encased in an air chamber, usually made from copper. As the sudden flow of water is interrupted, the air chamber cushions the blow, stopping the violent rattling of the pipes that causes the hammer noise. Hammer arrestors can be installed at washing machines, dishwashers, and water heaters, and you can find them at most hardware stores beginning around $10. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.